Okay, guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made these coconut cones. If you're interested on this recipe, watch it to the end and also help me to share. Trust me, you are going to love this one. What you need for this recipe, you need flour, your flour as you may call it. I'm using self-rising flour. If you are making use of plain flour, add baking powder or baking soda on it. Next, I added grated coconut on it, fresh coconut. You can as well use our coconut flakes. It's going to come out nice. The next ingredients I'm adding is condensed milk. If you have coconut condensed milk, feel free to use it since we are dealing with coconut, but I don't have coconut condensed milk. Next, I added coconut milk on it. So if you can as well produce your own coconut milk from fresh coconut, instead of buying the one in the shop, then mix very well to combine. So if you are using your own coconut milk, make sure you are using good coconut. No go use rotten coconut to buy fresh coconut that is still nice so that it's not going to change the taste of your coconut cones. So next I use my hands to mix the dough until it forms a dough the way I want it to be. This is really simple to make, guys. If you're looking for a snack to make for your kids, try this. You are going to love it. So, guys, as you can see, it forms a dough already. And when I put my hand into it, it's not sticky anymore. So make sure your dough is like this. Next, I'm just going to roll it out on a flat surface. So when you are rolling it out, you don't want it to be too flat. Just roll it all and then go in with the leftover coconut flex on it, as you can see, and then I'm going to use my rolling stick to make sure it stick on the dough properly. And then I'm going to use my cutter to cut it the size and the shape I want it to be. You can design your own if you prefer. So once I'm done, I'm going to place it on my baking tray and bake. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, does it look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it, okay, so that it gets to more people. So guys, once I'm done cutting it, I'm going to place it on my baking tray and then I'll bake it in the oven. At this point, my oven is already heated. Once I put it in the oven, I'm going to reduce the heat of the oven and bake it until it is golden brown. Now take a look at this and tell me, are you going to make yours? See how nice it is. Soft and it tastes so nice. Trust me, you are going to love this. With a cup of hot chocolate or coffee in the morning or maybe tea, you are good to go. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find it helpful, help me to share. Bye.